4 months. In 4 months, I went from being a pediatric bedside nurse filing for my first LLC to doing my first $25,000 day in sales. My name is Meg Heckman, and print on demand completely changed my life, and it can absolutely change yours too. That's why in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how print on demand changed the trajectory of my life. We'll be talking about the finances, the mindset, and ultimately the foundations that print on demand gave me. Let's start by talking about the finances, because I think most people get into print on demand because they want to ultimately make money. And it's the exact reason why I got into print on demand. Now, the numbers can be absolutely insane, but the numbers we're going to be specifically talking about are from my personal experience. Now, this by no means is saying that anybody can get these numbers or that these numbers are super easy to replicate. I'm not saying that by any means. These are just the numbers that I experienced on my own print on demand journey. Now, within a 10-day span, I went from making a couple $100s a day in sales all the way to having multiple $1,000 a day in sales, all the way up to $25,000 per day in sales. So from June to August of 2020, I did over $400,000 in sales, and that was over $80,000 in profit. So in a 3-month span, I made more money than I did in my entire year as a nurse. And that there completely changed my relationship with time and income. Because once you see a year's salary show up in a few weeks, you can never unsee what is possible with business. I learned that my income wasn't capped by my hours anymore. Instead, it was capped by my systems, the demand, and the execution. And that realization alone permanently broke my safe but limited income mindset. Now, the second thing that I learned is that you can control the faucet, and that revenue isn't random. In fact, it's adjustable. So with branded print on demand, you can control the levers. So we can control the traffic, the conversion rate, the average order value. And when your numbers show that something is working, you can easily scale that up as quickly as you want. And that's how real businesses grow. It's not from luck, but from intentionally increasing our inputs. Now, the third lesson that I learned about finances was that revenue and profit are not the same thing. And I'm sure you've realized that yourself. Now, $400,000 in sales sounds really impressive, but $80,000 in profit, that is truly the number that matters, because you're forced to understand the cost of goods, the ad spend, the margins in real time. Now, a business can look successful from the outside and still be unprofitable. So print on demand teaches you to track the numbers that actually matter, because if you're not, you're just guessing. And ultimately, I would say you're probably losing money. So here's why this matters. You can learn all of this with an extremely low financial risk, because we have no inventory that's sitting in our garage. We have no upfront manufacturing costs, no warehouse expenses. Essentially, you can learn extremely fast. And if you fail, it's not going to cost you thousands and thousands of dollars, and you can iterate without destroying your finances. You're essentially getting a real-world MBA in cash flow, margins, and scaling without taking on debt. So yes, the money can absolutely change your life. It changed mine, but it also changed my life far beyond the money that I've made. Because here's what most people don't realize. The money comes and goes. That viral design that helped me get the $400,000 in sales eventually stopped working. My sales dropped off. But what stayed with me was the mindset shifts that I developed over those months. So now let's talk about the mindset, because this is where the real life change happens. Because in those 4 months, I learned 3 major mindset shifts that have changed everything. First, my personal opinions do not matter. This was something that I learned very early on, and it's why my first store completely failed. I was not thinking about other people or my customers at all. I was thinking about me, what I liked, what I thought was cool, what I wanted to create. But in business, what you like doesn't matter. What sells matters. You have to learn to read the data, not your feelings. Make decisions based on what the numbers are telling you, not what you hope is true. The second thing that I learned was that speed beats perfection every time. My first store took forever because I was trying to make everything perfect. Now, my second store, after the first store failed, I got it up so much faster. I got designs out there, I got data back, and I was able to immediately make changes. Now, I was able to change my designs, change my site, keep iterating. That's how real business works. You don't want to wait for perfect. Instead, you ship it and learn from it. Third was ownership mindset. I learned very quickly that there's no boss, there's no schedule, and no guaranteed outcome. And that's something that can take a long time to fully understand. No one is telling you what to do. Now, I had to step up and figure all of it out for myself. And that's one of the hardest things to overcome. Because think about it, in our everyday lives, we are used to somebody telling us what to do. Take your 9 to 5, for example, or whatever job you have. Somebody is telling you exactly what you should be doing day in and day out. With print on demand, results come directly from the decisions that you make. You build accountability, you build self-trust, and you eventually have decision-making confidence. Now you stop waiting to be picked, you stop waiting for permission. That identity shift carries into every future business that you ultimately build. But here's the thing. Remember how I said my first store took way too long because I was trying to make it perfect? That setup phase is what delays most people from getting into the real learning. You're stuck figuring out Shopify settings, connecting apps, adding in products, and second guessing every little detail. That's why me and my team built Build My POD. It's a completely free Shopify theme. When you use it, it connects your Printify account to your Shopify account and automatically adds 20 designs to get you started, all for free. We built it because I remember spending weeks on setup when I should have been testing and learning. Now, I don't want you to waste the same time that I did. I want you to get to the real education faster by understanding your customer, testing different angles of what works, learning how to read the data and the analytics. That's where the actual business skills come in, not from figuring out how to connect payment processors or struggling with store settings. Now, if that sounds good for you, definitely click the link in the description below and get started today. But now let's talk about the foundations, because print on demand is business school in disguise. Now, the first thing that I learned was branding. And I don't mean logos and colors, none of that. I learned branding is about the community you are building and the designs that you are creating. Designs that make someone feel seen, understood, and proud to wear them. You're essentially building something around a group of people. That's what actually works, not just throwing random designs and hoping that something sticks. Now, the second foundation that I learned was marketing, especially Facebook ads, creative testing, and understanding audience psychology. I was also able to learn email marketing, how to keep customers coming back. These are the skills that transfer to almost any business, and I learned all of them through print on demand. Now, the third thing that I learned was ultimately financial literacy. We talked about this a little bit at the beginning, but essentially how to read a profit and loss statement, how to understand margins, how to make decisions based off of numbers instead of emotions. Because without tracking all of those numbers, you're guessing and ultimately making nothing. And the fourth thing that I learned was problem solving. Things constantly break. Suppliers get messed up. Ads stop working, platforms change, designs flop. Print on demand trained me to diagnose issues, test solutions, and adapt quickly. And that skill alone has been the foundation for running every business that I've built since. And all this matters because it's allowed me to now build everything that I do. Creating content, teaching a community of students, Build My POD to make everyone's lives easier when starting one of these brands. If I hadn't learned the foundations, the mindset, or the financials behind running a print-on-demand brand, I wouldn't be as successful as I am in these other areas. And I think that is the coolest part about branded print-on-demand. You see, you have these low stakes to learn so much and expand what you ultimately do as a business owner and as an entrepreneur over the course of your life. If I hadn't started a print-on-demand brand, I honestly don't think I would have been an entrepreneur. The skills carry over everywhere. It takes me a good amount of iterations before I get consistent sales whenever I start a new print-on-demand brand. And with YouTube, it was the same thing. I posted over 100 videos early on and maybe got 50 or 100 views. It's tiny compared to what my channel gets now. But I kept going because I understood the pattern from print on demand. You get better by doing the work and practicing the skills and using what you learn. Do more of what's working and less of what's not. Print on demand didn't just change my income, it changed how I think, how I make decisions, how I build everything. Even if print on demand isn't your final destination, it's one of the fastest ways to build real business skills without massive risk. Now, am I saying that you're going to be doing $10,000 days in 2 weeks? Absolutely not. Is it possible? Yes. But what I'm trying to say is that you will learn more about business in 4 months than most people will learn in years if you start a branded print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand can absolutely change your life in just a matter of 4 months. And to do so, it's important to remember that mistakes aren't failures. They're your tuition. Remember to give yourself time to learn. Don't wait for things to be perfect and start building. Learn the foundations, and then you'll be able to build whatever it is you truly want. Your 4 months start when you start. If you enjoyed this video and you're looking for more branded print-on-demand content like this, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would absolutely mean the world to me. And if you want to speed up your process of getting your Shopify store up and running, click the link in the description below and try out Build My POD. It's absolutely free and it'll get you up and running faster than going at it on your own. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.